Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my sidekicks for today's video. So glad you're here. If you're new to my channel, I'm Laura. This is Zena. Wyatt's over here on Bug Patrol, but he is here, huh buddy? And for today, I have my GlobeIn box to unbox for you. This is my July box. I'm so excited. I can't wait to dig into this one because I chose the Seaside box this time. So up my alley, right? Cannot wait to dig into this one. If you are not familiar with GlobeIn, it is a artisan subscription box, which means that you get artisan goods from all around the world. They usually curate 3 to 4 pieces inside each collection. Each box is typically valued around $100 or more, and it is yours at a significantly reduced price. I believe it's $38 a month if you pay the monthly subscription, and then it goes down from there. So if you choose to purchase it at 6 months at a time, then it goes down to $35 a month. 12 months at a time would be $33 a month. And of course, I do have a discount for you if you decide to purchase this subscription, which we'll talk about in just a minute. So many different artisan boxes to choose from. They swap them out each and every month. I will put the link to GlobeIn down below for you to check it out, but so many, from bakery themed boxes to relaxation, spa, just so many to choose from. And like I said, they do tend to change them up each and every month. So I do recommend checking them out because there's so many choices. You can also, I believe, choose to just buy a box and then they are $60. Okay, let's get into my box. I'm so excited about this. I have been checking out the beach and sea themed boxes for quite some time, and I was so happy when I saw this one pop up for this month. All right. Everything is generally packed really well when you open your box, so nothing gets damaged. And we're going to get right into it, huh, Zena? Let's do it. Okay, so it looks like there are 3 items in this particular box, so let's get right into it. This is the first item I see. Look how pretty this is with the fish. I think this is a table runner. Looks thin. Yep. I love the blues in this. Yep. So that's half of it. It's still folded in half. So it makes for a nice long table runner. I like this. The colors are so pretty. The blues. So here's what that looks like. Nice and long. And it says that this is a fish table runner from India. I like that. Okay. Next up, I think I know. This looks pretty. What do you think, Wyatt, huh? Check this out. How pretty is that? I love it. You can hang this inside or out, right? So this says it's the small capiz, C-A-P-I-Z, is that how you say that? Shell wind chimes, blue and turquoise from Indonesia. Look how pretty this is. Has the little hook. They sound so pretty, don't they? So delicate. I love that. I like that some of them are like circles that have the holes, and then there's all different size pieces. There's squares, the blues, the turquoise. There's teardrop size shapes, teardrop shapes. That's so pretty. I like the sound of that. So, so pretty. What do you think, Susie? Do you like that? I feel like I need my husband to hang this out here for me. Okay, I love it. And I have one more item. This one, it says, is valued at $87. That's the retail value of these 3 pieces for your $38 if you paid at a monthly basis. Oh my, so this, check this out, packed with all those tiny little pieces. Let's see if I can get into this without making a mess. Yikes. I think I did it. Wasn't too bad. Okay. Here's the item. Look how pretty that is. All right, so this is the whitewashed terracotta shell bud vase, and this comes from Bangladesh. So pretty, right? And that's all 3 pieces. So I have the vase. I'll try not to drop this on Zena, which probably will happen. The pretty chime. Can't think of my words right now. Zena's like, what are you doing? We're going to lay this on top of her, see what she does. And the table runner. What do you think, Z? We're going to put everything on top of you. All right, and what it says about this one, it says, turn every day into a beach day with handmade accessories that are meant to bring the seaside to different areas of your home. The handmade shell wind chime from Indonesia will bring the delicate ocean sounds to your balcony or garden. Introduce pops of blue onto your tabletop with the fish table runner from India. Place the handmade terracotta shell bud vase with your favorite flowers on your windowsill or kitchen table as a seaside touch. I love it. Absolutely love it. All right, and that is everything inside this month's box for me. But you do get to choose. So there's many different selections, I believe. So not everybody gets the exact same box each month. But I think the products are just amazing, and so much detail goes into each and every one of them. And I love that they come from all around the world and help get the products from artists who would otherwise not have a supply chain to be able to get these products to customers like me. So that's what GlobeIn is all about, helping get those products out to people all around the world. I love it. All right, and GlobeIn did just recently change their logo to more accurately reflect the meaning and purpose behind everything they do, which I think is really fun. And thank you so much for spending time with me today. What did you think? Do you like the Seaside Box? I really do. I think it's so, so pretty. But I do love anything that has to do with the sea and the beach, so there's that. All right, as I said, I do have a discount code for you, which I will put down below. If you use my link, then you will get 50% off your first box if you buy a subscription of 3 months or more. All right, then. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Please hit that like button if you did. Would love you to hang out for long haul and hit that subscribe. Please do comment. Let me know what you thought about this box. And until next time, bye, everybody.